peoples, and this is gonna be my first Advanced Warfare play multiplayer stuff. TD, we're gonna play some TD. So hope you enjoy. Bye bye. Okay. Let's see, I'm going with the ASM-1 this round. I haven't played much of this much lately, and so I may be a little rusty, but you know. Oh gosh! Came up here. Oh, came up behind me. That's a nice little 3-kill streak or something like that to start off the game. I guess you could sort of call me a noob. Oh crap, I really suck at aiming, don't I? Hang on, what was that gun? Ooh, very nice gun. Okay, nice shooting. Ooh, doesn't have much ammo though. Ooh. You don't want to mess with me. Ah, man, try to escape it. He just got brought down. Ah, wow, there's 4 of them over there. Nothing I could do. I saw you. Ooh, there we go. 5 kill count. Well, that round was quick. Okay. So, how long was that round? There we go. Nice little kill there. Anyway, that was I think I'm going to go ahead and play one more round, guys. So, yeah. Got 7 kills, 3 deaths. That's pretty nice. Okay. Let's see who we got here. I'm going with random. I don't like this. That Ryan is okay, but you know. I don't guess so. Let's see my classes. I got the Battle Elite. I got the Morse with the gold camo. I got the TAC 19. And I got the ASM-1. I got the MP11 Survivor. Yeah, that. Actually, I don't really like that gun super much. I think I'm going to change it out, yeah. I don't know what I'm going to use, though. I honestly want to use some of the heavy weapons, but you know, they're not my best. I guess I am. I'm going to go with that. I've actually used that before. Not the best, but you know, it works. Oh man, I nearly got it. Okay, so we're going to be playing Defender. Oh, I don't like this match too much, but you know, guess you have to do what you got to do. Let's see if we can win this round here. I'm going with the ASM-1 again. I don't care. I'm just going to do it again. Ah, man, he laid down. Gotta get back over to hail my teammates. Okay, that's wow. Ooh, the AK, that's okay. I like it. bestie. Ooh, got you. Ah, I know he's coming. This is not my favorite map or my best map, as you can see. Wow, newbie. Oh gosh, did not see him there.
We have the lead.
Yeah, I guess I'm going up here. What? What? Whatever. I'm gonna try out the sniper this round. Well, try out. I mean, do it. Here we go. I hit. Man. What in the world? Oh, I hate this pistol. Horrible at aiming. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try that. Ah! Oh man, what in the world? I'm really bad at this map. This is not going my way. Wow. Wow. Okay, I gotta bring out the bow here. Or the, yeah, bow. Our team is getting wrecked. Ah. Okay. Holy crap, that's scary. Ah, what in the world? Trying to play the game. I'm gonna die.
On the bunker rooftop.
What idiot. He didn't even see me. Ah, it's nothing I could do. He was right above me and I couldn't get up there quick. We're only losing by 10. That's not too bad. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. What? What? I knew he was there. There goes the tsunami. I saw him. I'm going this way. Oh, what in the world?
UAV is online.
Our team is getting dominated. Okay, this is stupid right here. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to make the most stupidest decision I've ever made, probably. I'm using a shotgun. And all I can really do is run. That was hard. Okay. Holy moly, they're like blending in. Okay, we're dead. Okay, guys, a failure right there at the end, but you know, bye bye. Have a good day. Bye.